Hi everyone, this is Coach Kelvin. A spinning bike is a head-to-toe workout, and today I'm going to show you tips to ride a spin bike. A proper setup is important to prevent injuries and workout efficiency. So, how do you set up your bike? First, you need to measure the height of the seat. Make sure that the saddle is at your hip level. The bike seat moves forward and backward too. To measure the distance between the bike seat and the handlebar, place your elbow at the tip of the seat and your fingers should be slightly touching at the center of the handlebar. If you are new to spinning, I would suggest you to keep the handlebar relatively higher to avoid the pressure on your lower back. As you are getting familiar with it, you can lower it down to engage your core better. Now, let's check the setup is right for you. Get on the bike, slide your feet inside the pedal. Your knee should be slightly bent. About 25 to 30% bending during revolution is good. To see whether your seat is right distance from the handlebar, your knee should be in line with your toe. This is Coach Kelvin. I will see you in the next video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fitness videos.